For meatball lovers, I want to offer a simple recipe for cooking them in a sauce made from soy sauce, honey and tomato paste. Tender meatballs in a wonderful sauce. Very tasty and simple. Put the chicken fillet, pork meat and 1 onion through a meat grinder. Fill the loaf with cold water, squeeze it out and after 5 minutes also pass it through a meat grinder. Season the minced meat with salt and pepper to taste and mix well. Prepare the sauce. Grate the carrots and finely chop the onion. Put it in a saucepan with sunflower oil. Fry for 7 to 8 minutes until the onion is transparent. Then add the tomato paste, honey and soy sauce to the saucepan. Add a little salt if necessary. Pour 300 to 350 milliliters of water and mix. Form the meatballs from the minced meat and put them in a saucepan with the sauce. Cover the saucepan with a lid and simmer the meatballs in the sauce for 30 to 35 minutes until tender, fragrant and delicious meatballs in soy honey sauce are ready. Serve with any side dish.